softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
So guys, nandito na yung meat natin. Pakukuluan lang natin siya ng 30 minutes. Tapos mag-change tayo ng water para sa final natin na sabaw. So yun lang yun guys. Ito yung ginagamit ko talaga pang sabaw kasi pag bumpy yung road, safe. Hindi siya umapaw. So yan guys. Love you outside. Mayroon pa rin sa So guys, ito na yung mga ingredients natin para sa ating sinigang. Nahugasan ko na ang mga ito. Nahugasan ko ng kangkong. Tapos ito yung talong natin. Tapos yan yung frozen na yan lang yung mga ingredients na mayroon ako dito sa brown guys. So yes, let's cook.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
Guys, yan na yung progress ng ating sinigang. Ilululot ko na yung talong at saka bato. Ito yung talong. Ilulot ko na siya guys.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, cause I never.
Guys, luto na ang ating sinigang. It's ready to eat.
Have fun for now. Paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah.